In this video, we are going to review real Debrid versus Alldebrid versus Premiumize. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So, if you are serious about streaming, you've probably heard of these three websites. Real Debrid is the most popular, and for good reason. It's fast, super reliable, and integrates smoothly with most streaming apps like Kodi, Streamio, and Cinema HD, and others. Now, Alldebrid is kind of the underdog here. It offers similar functionality to Real Debrid, and while it's a bit less polished, it's cheaper and supports magnet links very well. It's lightweight, works with most platforms, and doesn't get as much attention but for budget users. Then we have got Premiumize. This one is more like an all-in-one toolbox. You get Debrid streaming, cloud storage, a VPN, Usenet support, and even torrent caching. It's a power user's dream, but it's also the most expensive. If you want more than just streams, Premiumize could be worth it. So in short, for best value and reliability, go with Real Debrid. For a cheaper alternative, try Alldebrid. And if you want an all-in-one suite, Premiumize is your guy. Each one shines in its own way, just depends on what you need. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.